Seamless exhibit in UAE, and there are a bunch of companies that are here. I got to understand what's happening in the FinTech world, and we were able to get the latest FinTech ideas and new apps and the new features and the softwares that are coming into the world and into the market.
Hello, it is a good opportunity and experience I have here in World Trade Center. The event, there is like so many things to learn about it, like e-commerce section and retails and back and fitness. So many things are like improving and reactive technology to see it. And it's a great opportunity to meet so many companies here in UAE.
We came to Dubai World Trade Center, as you guys can see, to knowledge about the FinTech and all of the advantages it can have for us students who are in finance. Thank you very much.
Today we are here in a Seamless exhibition, and we are learning here a lot about FinTech payment, like only payment method that we checked here, and it was really awesome and we learned a lot.
Hello everyone, attending Seamless Technology, it was great opportunity. So it's showcasing new technology, AI.
Today in this event I learned different types of transaction system. There are various types of payment system, B2B payment system, P2P payment system and P2B payment system. Today we are here in the Seamless conference. We learn here like banking systems, digital bankings, online payment systems and blockchains and cryptocurrencies, and also cyber securities of the payment systems. And the conference is very informative, and it's the latest trends of technologies in banking and financial sectors.